Expansion of an idea: people who live in glass houses shouldn't throw stones. The proverb "people who live in glass houses shouldn't throw stones" is a reminder that we should not criticize or judge others for faults or mistakes that we ourselves may have. Just as someone who lives in a fragile glass house should be careful not to throw stones, we must be cautious when pointing out the flaws in others, as we are often just as vulnerable to those same flaws. This saying speaks to the importance of self-awareness and humility. Before criticizing others, we should first reflect on our own actions, behaviors, and shortcomings. The people who are quick to judge often overlook their own flaws, and in doing so, they risk damaging their credibility or relationships. Criticizing someone for something that you yourself are guilty of is hypocritical and can weaken trust and respect. This proverb also underscores the value of kindness and empathy. Instead of focusing on finding faults in others, it encourages us to look for ways to understand and support them. Every individual has their own struggles, and sometimes the flaws we criticize in others are the very ones we need to address in ourselves. The saying serves as a cautionary reminder to be gentle in our judgments and considerate of our own vulnerabilities. In a practical sense, this concept applies to both personal relationships and professional settings. In the workplace, someone who criticizes a colleague's work without recognizing their own mistakes can quickly lose respect and cooperation. Similarly, in friendships, pointing out flaws without recognizing your own can lead to conflict and distance. Mutual respect is built on understanding that we all have imperfections, and it's important to approach each other with patience and support rather than criticism. Thanks for watching this video.